So I've been told I need to talk more. People need to know who you are, so you're not just a faceless AI bot. So I do this for one reason. It's to get away, to relax, to de-stress. Well, sometimes it's a little stressful, especially when I nearly crashed the other week. But a wise man once said, I'd prefer to die doing the thing I love than on my deathbed regret the things I didn't do. It's such a wonderful place, Southeast Queensland. Luckily I bought on the north side of Brisbane, which gives me access. Well, within 30 minutes I can be Debra, Diagula, Mount Mee, or another 30 minutes I can be on the Sunshine Coast. What do they call that one? The Glasshouse Mountains, which is behind me. As you can see, that's all of the forests. Mount Mee, Diagula National Park, and this beautiful spot here is on Bald Knob Road, which makes the child inside me laugh quite often. So the little videos I do is mainly a little recap of the day and the music that I enjoy with it. That's all it's for. Anyway, I've introduced myself. I shall continue. I'm pretty bad at editing right now. I'm going to be honest, I've seen some great videos. Mine's not one of them. Hopefully I'll get better over time. The one thing I am in life is persistent. So I'll keep having a go at this, and we'll see how we go. Anyway, enjoy today's video.